Use this information to answer questions 7 through 10. The information in the story shows Samson the dog's travel over time. Samson the dog starts his trip by traveling 6 meters in 2 seconds in a northern direction. He then sees a squirrel and runs at a speed of 4 meters per second for 1 second. Then he sits down for 7 seconds and sadly watches the squirrel run up a tree. He then slowly walks back to his starting point, reaching it in 4 seconds. At which of the times below was Samson's speed 0 meters per second? A. 0 seconds. B. 2 seconds. C. 4 seconds. D. 13 seconds.